So, I don't know where I'm looking. You've heard the truth. You felt that shift. Now it's time to move. You're on this journey, and we know that at some point things may have gone a little bit pear-shaped. We know that we have built up a huge portfolio of experience, of skills, of values. Now it's time to utilize them. So my name's Tracy Montgomery. I am here to help you build that legacy, disrupt the system, and build your wealth. So let's remember your power is no longer a potential. You've got it there. It's already. It just needs a little bit of channeling. You don't have to stay stuck. You don't have to be on your own. And you can live that life that you want. You can have the income that you want. You can go the places that you want to go to. And you can do it with like-minded people. So what I'd like to do is invite you to come and join MWR. MWR, Making Wishes Real. We will show you how to make an income, how to join a community, and how you can go where you want whilst you're doing it. What's going to happen if you don't? All you've got to do is take a look. If it's not for you, it's not for you. But you won't know until you investigate further. So, down below, there'll be a little link to book a call. We can book a call. We can chat about where you are now, what it is that you think is holding you back, and where you'd like to be. The big thing is, none of it has to be done on your own. Not expecting you to do any of this on your own. There's a huge community. Well, I say huge, it's a big community. It's getting huge. That will hold your hand and support you. You can do it your way, you can do it at your time, and you can adhere to your values. So, very simple, very straightforward, very short little video, this one. Go to the description below, book that call, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.